Hey people, and so this is one of these really like crazy videos because I have with me, you can see this, oh god, you can see my hair, rabbit.
And I show you my rabbit. Hold on. Can I just show me?
Yeah, no, so sorry, we are moving the camera back and forth, but that's what since I really have to say this, that both these rabbits are basically black in color, and I don't know, I always had this vision that when I get rabbits there should be these cute little white little rabbits, but so I wasn't going to pick them up, but my little boy who was with me told me you should change history. Yeah,
because in history, people did not tell
yeah.
black is good.
Yes, so I was so surprised and so proud because this young man.
This is my rabbit.
Yeah, let it sleep. It's sleeping. Ooh. So, so it was so cute, and then that's what my son, he tells my dad that Nana looks like Martin Luther King, and and I was very keen to get a rabbit, so he said rabbits are your destiny.
Yeah, because she always whined about rabbits.
Yeah, you should change your destiny. No, you should reach your destiny. That's what he told me. So this is one of these very crazy videos one would make, but really take a look at them. Yeah, and once I'm back home, I'll give you all a more
Yes.
And the thing
so
about having
cute.
black
It's so cute.
black little rabbits is they have a definite character, like because one of them has one paw white, one paw black, and then the other one has both paws white, but the rest of him is black. So very cute.
And he has a stripe. The one
Yes.
which is on my body.
Yeah, and we decided to call him Buttu because it's a black rabbit with a white it's a Buttu looking thing, whatever stripe. So really people, this video is going nowhere, but thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in our next video. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.
And like the video.
Yes, thank you.